Hello friends, welcome to engineering tutorial. So we'll continue our discussion with the measurement of humidity with the help of hygrometers, and so far we have discussed about various types of hygrometers such as resistive, capacitive, piezoelectric. So in this video we are going to discuss about another type of hygrometer, which is hair hygrometer. So here in this hair hygrometer setup, this does not give us an output in terms of electrical parameters. For example, in resistive, capacitive and piezoelectric hygrometers, we used to get an output in terms of frequency change, voltage or current. But this hair hygrometer setup, it directly converts the humidity, whatever it measures, into suitable change into linear displacement, which can be further converted, can be translated with the help of a pointer scale arrangement. So it is not electrical hygrometer setup because there is no conversion of the moisture level into suitable electrical quantity. So again, we know that humidity is the amount of water vapor that is present in a suitable substance, and mostly the relative humidity, it comes into play when we try to measure the humidity, which is the amount of water vapor present in a given volume at a certain temperature to the maximum water vapor holding capacity, the saturation water vapor quantity. So the hair hygrometer setup, okay, the hair hygrometer setup consists of hair strands, okay, strands of human hair, a pivot and arm arrangement which is further connected to a pointer and scale arrangement. Okay, so here we have the hair strands which are placed. There are many hair strands which are connected, which are exposed to the environment or the surroundings where the moisture is to be measured, and those hair strands are connected with the help of a pivot and arm arrangement to the pointer, movable pointer moving over a calibrated scale. For extra stability, we can also connect a spring to the whole setup. Now the property which is utilized here is that human hair, when exposed to humidity or moisture, it undergoes a change in its linear shape. Okay, the shape, the length of the human hair, it undergoes a change in its shape, length. So when the air is moist, means water vapor content is high, hair becomes longer, and when air is dry, the hair becomes shorter. Okay, so it is this property which is utilized here. So the whole setup, the hair which is exposed to moisture, it is kept in a container, it is connected with the help of this pivot and arm arrangement to this pointer scale arrangement. So this whole hair hygrometer setup, it is particularly useful where high precision is not required. We just have to get us an indication whether the moisture content in a particular environment is there or not, like that. We don't need the exact accurate value. For that, we should use the electrical output hygrometers such as resistive, capacitive, piezoelectric, where we get accurate value in terms of voltage or current, in terms of a digital reading if we connect a analog to digital converter. But this hair hygrometer should not be used for high precision measurements. So it is particularly helpful in the temperature range from 5 to 35 degrees Celsius, and for a relative humidity range which is expressed in terms of percentage from 40 to 95%. So when this whole setup, which consists of hair strands is exposed to moisture, depending on the relative humidity, the hair strands, they either get elongated or they shrink. As a result of that, this strands of hair which are connected to this pointer with the help of this pivot and arm arrangement, it causes a deflection in this pointer, and it gives us a indication whether the moisture or the moisture level or the humidity level in the environment is high or not. But this reading is not accurate, okay, because we are not getting like in resistive and capacitive and piezoelectric, we used to get an output in terms of voltage or current. In resistive, resistance change is converted into voltage or current with the help of piezo, the Wheatstone bridge voltage divider. In capacitance, we used to connect a oscillator circuit or AC bridge. In piezoelectric, also we used to connect a crystal oscillator, and that used to give us a electrical output in terms of voltage or current, which is further connected to analog to digital converter, which to give a digital reading. But here this is just elongation or shrinking of hair which is causing a deflection of the pointer, and this is not accurate enough. So it is just a relative indication of moisture level, which just gives us an information whether the environment, the surrounding air or atmosphere is moist or not, okay, like that. But the exact value is not given by this whole setup, okay. So it is a very simple setup, okay. So there is nothing more complicated, no mathematical equation is involved, nothing like that. So simply we have the hair strands which get elongated or they shrink in size with respect to moisture levels in the environment, which causes a deflection in the pointer, okay. So it is very simple arrangement. So this is all about hair hygrometer. So I hope you like this video, and please subscribe my channel Engineering Tutorial for more such videos related to engineering, science and technology. Have a great day. Thank you very much.